Close your eyes and bring your attention to the center of your chest. Inhale through your nose for 5 seconds, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale for 5 seconds, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you breathe, evoke thoughts and memories that generate a feeling of gratitude. Embrace gratitude, immerse yourself in it. Accompany your breathing with that emotion for 3 to 5 minutes. Keep breathing in that rhythm of 5 seconds to inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 to exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let that serene cadence harmonize your body, your heart, and your mind. And while you do so, keep that emotion of gratitude alive. Maybe you are grateful for something big, or something very simple. A person, an opportunity, your health, a kind gesture, the sun on your skin, or simply being here. Whatever it is, allow yourself to feel it fully. Feel gratitude expand with every breath, as if it were wrapping your chest in warmth and lightness. Breathe with gratitude, and let this feeling stay with you. Now take one last deep breath, and a slow exhalation, like a sigh that opens space inside you. Take with you this calm, this balance, this gratitude. No need to do anything else. Just remember that you can always return to this state with a few minutes of conscious breathing. May your day be filled with presence, connection, and gratitude.